My friend and I just received Try Nitro Free for 1 month from Discord itself. As you can see, this is completely legit. If you've also received it, I will show you step by step on how to claim it. If you have received it on your phone, it's much more easier. Click Continue on Google Play. Upon going there, you'll find a plethora of options to choose from. I know adding a payment method is hard because some of you are teens and children and don't have bank accounts, but you get more options to pay. Now, after making a payment, they will ask you around 2 Icelandic krona to 110 krona. It's around $1, but it's called temporal payment. Once the payment is successful, you will receive it back within 5 business days. Don't panic if your $1 is deducted. After receiving free Nitro, go to your Google Play page or Apple page. Then on the top right-hand side, click your profile logo. Scroll down to find Payments and Subscriptions. Click that. Here you need to cancel the Nitro subscription and subscriptions, and remove your card or whatever in payment methods. Don't worry, you won't lose your Nitro. You will simply cancel the autopay that will charge you $10 next month after your current Nitro expires.
Now, doing this on PC version of Discord server is a little different from the phone version. If you got it on PC, just click subscribe, pick monthly, not yearly, add your payment method. Now, here's the thing on PC, you get only card and PayPal to pay. On phone, you get many options. Once you receive your free Nitro, go to User Settings, scroll down and find Subscription, cancel your Nitro, and then go to Billing and remove your payment method. If you don't do this, Discord will charge you $10. So, yeah, on PC, you don't need to go to Play Store like phone. It's different. Now, many people don't get the free Nitro trial, but they end up purchasing it. You don't need to do it. You need to claim it only if you see free Nitro written in this banner. If it's not written, do not purchase it. You will waste $10. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not claiming that Discord is giving away Nitro to everyone just because my friend and I got it. Maybe it could be just us. But hey, if you ever get free Nitro trial randomly, this video could help you so much. That's all there is in the video. You can join my server if you want decor and layouts. Honestly, that's alright even if you don't want it. Just join us to make some new friends. And thanks to all who have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. We are super close to 14,000 subscribers.